introduce yourselves.
Hi, my name is Stephanie and I'm a full-stack developer at Accenture.
Hi, my name is Matthias and I'm a full-stack developer in the Accenture office in Vienna.
Full stack, front end, or back end?
Full-stack, it comes very handy to have expertise in both front-end and back-end.
I'm a full-stack developer, but I'm not a good designer, so I'm mostly doing back-end work.
Angular or React?
You mean Google, Facebook.
I've been doing React over a year now, so React all the way.
Developer or architect?
I'm for sure a developer by heart.
Architect first, developer second.
Fun or success?
Fun is important to me, that's why I love my job. But it's also good for you to reap the fruits of your work.
I can't have success without a little bit of fun, so fun.
Experience or discovery?
Sometimes a change of scenery is good, which comes with new challenges. It can be tough, but still worth it.
I sure enjoy both, but discovery is more exciting.
Do you like acronyms?
OMG no. TBH, I never get them right.
WDYM, LOL, JK, sure.
Why did you join Accenture?
Because of our flexibility. It's like our work adapts to us. And no matter what drives you, there are always opportunities to develop them at Accenture.
Working with the best people to make change happen and being on the front line of innovation.